Before getting into individual genes, a few things can be said about the genome of coronaviruses in general. They are composed of RNA, they are single-stranded, they are positive sense, and they are unsegmented. RNA simply refers to the fact that it is ribonucleic acid which composes its genome rather than deoxyribonucleic acid. This is because if one looks at the individual nucleotides, they utilize the pentose sugar ribose instead of deoxyribose, and the nitrogenous base uracil rather than thymine, which is found in DNA. These RNA molecules are single-stranded. They do not form the double helix, which one associates with the DNA of the nucleus of cells. They are single-stranded RNA molecules. It should be remembered that although it is single-stranded, parts of RNA molecules can fold back on themselves and form complex loop structures with double-stranded portions. This will become important because the M protein recognizes these loops as it packages coronavirus RNA into the virion particle. To explain what positive sense means, let's first look at the DNA molecules which code for RNA. Since DNA is double-stranded, there are two complementary sequences, one of which is used as the template from which the RNA transcript is synthesized. The other one is not used as a template, but because it has a sequence which is complementary to the template strand, and since the RNA transcript is complementary to the template strand, the strand which was not used looks like the mRNA, so it is referred to as the RNA-like strand or the coding strand. In this sense, now that we're talking about viruses, the template strand would be referred to as the negative sense strand, and the strand which was not used but which looks like the mRNA, that would be called the positive sense strand because its sequence resembles that which will be used to determine the amino acid order of the proteins. The coronavirus RNA is positive sense, so the order of RNA nucleotides in its genome is the same as the order of the RNA nucleotides in the mRNAs. In humans, the nuclear genome is composed of 46 separate chromosomes, 46 separate molecules of DNA. In some viruses, the genome is composed of separate molecules of RNA or DNA, whatever the genetic molecule is. But in coronaviruses, there is one single molecule which encodes all of the genomic material of coronaviruses. So therefore, it is unsegmented, being represented by one single molecule, not segments of separate molecules.